Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, then please take a moment to subscribe. Today I'm going to be talking about the Episoft AC Moisturizer with SPF 30. Product claims that it contains SPF 30. It is suitable for acne-prone skin, means oily skin. It is non-comedogenic, means it doesn't clog pores. It is fragrance-free. That's really good for sensitive noses, and I'm one of them. It is paraben free and dermatologically tested. I would like to tell you guys that it is a chemical sunscreen, means it tends to penetrate the skin and absorb sun rays. Again, I have very bad habit of checking ingredients. I have scrutinized every ingredient thoroughly, and there are 13 ingredients in total. Here are the EWG ratings of ingredients on EWG scale. The left side of the scale points to more secure and safe ingredients that are healthy for our skin and should be used. And the right side of the scale points those ingredients that are toxic and shouldn't be used on skin. I found some ingredients that are interesting and everyone should know about them. The first ingredient is ethyl hexyl methoxycinnamate. It protects against sunburn and other skin damages by UV radiations. It only protects against UVB and UVA rays and not stable. Stable means it kind of breaks down and loses its effectiveness. Butyl methoxydibenzoyl methane. It is named as avobenzone. It is chemical sunscreen agent that provides proper UVA protection, but the problem with it is that it is not photostable and degrades in the sunlight. Propylene glycol. It is a humectant, which means it increases moisture retention in skin. According to material safety data sheet, the chemical is a strong skin irritant and can cause skin rashes, dryness, and surface damage. Benzophenone 3. It is also called oxybenzone. It helps to protect skin in the sun's harmful UV rays by absorbing UV radiation and dissipating it as heat. It is highly stable but has weak UV absorption capabilities. Diazoledynylurea. It is an antimicrobial preservative that helps your products not to go wrong quickly. It works well against bacteria. Next is glycerin. It is humectant, means hygroscopic. It is natural component of healthy skin, whether derived from vegetable or animal sources or made synthetically. Glycerin is hygroscopic, that means it can draw moisture from air and keep that moisture in skin. All these ingredients together eliminate each other's weakness and make an excellent formula. My experience. Mine is an oily skin. For oily skin people, it is bomb.com. It feels non-greasy on skin, not heavy at all. I love the idea of moisturizer and SPF in a single tube, but I wish it would have SPF 50 instead of SPF 30. It also contains dipenthanol, that is an anti-irritant, so it is also good for dry skin. I love the fact that it doesn't break out my oily acne-prone skin. I will recommend it to all the skin types. Overall, I loved it and all the ingredients are safe. Guys, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up, and thank you all. Take care.